Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see class 4 standard board metric subject max chapter 5 perimeter and area. So in today's class we are going to see exercise 5.5, find the area of these figures. We are going to find the area of these figures. See what is the shape. Look at the diagram. What is the shape children? This is rectangle. So we are going to find out the area of the rectangle. So can you tell me what is the area of the rectangle? So area of the rectangle equal to length into breadth. So we can write L for length and then breadth, B for breadth. Length into breadth square units. So what is length they have given? So listen children, so length what they have given is 18 centimeter. Then what is breadth? Breadth is 13 centimeter. So B for breadth. 13 centimeter. So how will you find out the area of the rectangle children? So area of the rectangle is, so we can write area equal to L into B square units. So what is L here? L is 18 centimeter into 13 centimeter. So shall we multiply 18 into 13? So 18 into 13 if you multiply, 3 8s are 24. So 4, then 2 carry over, then 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, next 1 8s are 8, next 1 1s are 1. So if you add this 4, 5 plus 8 is 13, so 3, 1 carry over, so 234. 3 8s are 24, 4 2, then 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, next 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1, so 4, 13, 3, so 234 you can write centimeter square or square centimeter, centimeter square or square centimeter. So what is area of the, so answer area equal to 234 square centimeter. Shall we go for next one? So next one is, see listen, what is the shape? This is square. Say they have given only this side. So what is the side they have given? Side is 12 meter. So we are going to find out the area of the square. So what is the area of the square children? Area of the square equal to side into side square units. Side into side square units. So what is the side they have given? 12 meter. So 12 meter into 12 meter. So what is 12 12s are? Can you say what is 12 12s are? 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, next 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. So 144 square meter. So answer area equal to 144 square meter. So next one also they have given 45 meter. So only the side they have given. So what we are going to find out, children? What is the shape? This is square because only the side they have given. So this is the square. So what is the area of the square, children? Area of the square equal to side into side square units. So area of the square equal to, so side into side. So for side we will write S. S into S, square units. So what is the side they have given? 45 meter. So we can multiply 45 meter into 45 meter. So 45 into 45, multiply 5 5s are 25. So 5, then 2 carry over, then 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Next one, 4 5s are 20, 0. Then 2 carry over, 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 25, 2, then 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. Next 4 5s are 20, 0, 2, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2, 18. So 5, 2, then 0, 1. So 2025, 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. Next 4 5s are 20, 0, 2, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2, 18. So 2025 square meter. So what is the answer? Area equal to 2025 square meter. Next one. See what is the shape, children? This is rectangle. What is this? Rectangle. So we are going to find out the area of the rectangle. So what they have given? L is 38 centimeter, that is length, and then breadth is 15 centimeter. So what we are going to find out? Sorry, breadth. Area of the rectangle. So what is area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle equal to L into B square units. L into B square units. So what is L, children? L is 38 centimeter. Next breadth is 15 centimeter. So we are going to multiply 38 into 15. We are going to multiply 38 into 15. So you multiply 38 into 15. So 5 8s are 40. So 0, 4 carry over. Next 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Next leave 1's place. 1 8s are 8. 1 3s are 3. So 0, 17. 570 square centimeter. So answer, area equal to 570 square centimeter. Next one, exercise 5.6, solve these word sums. So we are going to do in perimeter and area word sums, word problems. The length of a carpet is 5 meter and its breadth. So length is 5 meter and breadth is 3 meter. How much area will it cover? So they have given length and then breadth. So area of the carpet, they have given carpet. So we are going to find out the area. They have given length is 5 meter and then breadth is 5 meter, length is 5 meter, breadth is 3 meter. We are going to find out the area. So what is the shape, children? They have given length and then breadth. What they have given? So write solution. So they have given length equal to 5 meter and then breadth equal to 3 meter. So we are going to find out the area of the carpet. Area of the carpet is area of the rectangle. So what is the area of the rectangle? L into B square unit. So you can write area of the carpet equal to L into B square units. So what is L here children? L is 5 meter into breadth is 3 meter. So 5 3s are 15. So 15 square meter. 15 square meter. So what is the area of the area of the carpet will it cover? 15 square meter. So the answer, the carpet will cover the area 15 square meter. So the carpet will cover the area 15 square meter. Next one, the length of the side of a carom board is 90 centimeter. What is its area? So we have to find out the area. So they have given only side. So the carom board side alone they have given. So what are the shape children? What is the shape of the carom board? The shape of the carom board is square. So we have to find out the area of the square. So write solution. So what they have given? Side. Side equal to how many? 90 centimeter. Side equal to 90 centimeter. We are going to find out the area of the carom board, that is area of the square. So area of the carom board equal to side into side square units. So tell me, side is 90 centimeter into 90 centimeter. So you can multiply the numbers alone, then you can add the zeros. So 9 9s are 81, then you write the 2 zeros. So 8100 square centimeter. So the answer is, the area of the carom board is, the area of the carom board is, what is the area of the carom board children? So area of the carom board is 8100 square centimeter. Next one, the length of the side of a square field is 30 meter. What is its area? So side they have given square field, they have given, that is square field. In the question itself they have given it is square field. So side they have given, the side of the square field they have given. We are going to find out the area of the square field. So you can write solution. So what they have given? Side. How much distance? 30 meter. So we are going to find out the area of the square field. So area of the square field equal to side into side square units. So what is the side they have given children? 30 meter. So you can write 30 meter into 30 meter. So 30 into 30, you can multiply the number, then at last you can add the zeros. So 3 3s are 9, then how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 900 square meter. So the area of the square field is, so the answer, the area of the square field is, so the area of the square field is 900 square meter. 900 square meter. Next one, the length of a swimming pool is 45 meter and its breadth is 30 meter. What is its area? See, they have given swimming pool, that is length and breadth of the swimming pool. What is length of the swimming pool is 45 meter and then breadth of the swimming pool is 30 meter. So what we are going to find out? Area. So what is the shape? That is rectangle shape. So we are going to find out the area of the rectangle. So write solution. Write solution. So what they have given? Length. What is the length? 45 meter. Next, breadth is 30 meter. Next, what we are going to find out? Area. So area of the swimming pool. So that is area of the rectangle. So what is area of the rectangle, children? L into B square units. L into B square units. So what is L? They have given 45 meter, breadth is 30 meter. So multiply 45 into 30. 3 5s are 15. So 5, 1 carry over, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 3. So what is the answer? 1350 square meter. Square meter. So what is the area of the swimming pool, children? The area of the swimming pool is 1350 square meter. I hope you all understood this. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.